Good afternoon. My name is Robert and I'm on Team Dexter. The problems that our project tries to solve are the following: difficulty of finding events organized by NGOs or non-governmental organizations, and the lack of promotion and encouragement of these events. We have solved these problems with the help of an internet application which can be accessed by both internet users and NGO representatives. With it, the organizations can store their events in a database and the users can access information about these events with the help of a friendly interface. And without further ado, let's start our tour of our application. As you can see, this is the home screen of the application and has the following components. We have the logo, the world map with the 6 continents. We did not include Antarctica because we had nothing to cover there. And finally, we have the 3 main functions of the application. Let's say you're an NGO representative and you want to add a new event. What you have to do for that? It's very simple. All you need to do is go to Add a new project. You can only add new events if you have a registered username in our database. But if you are a new NGO and this is your first time using our application, it's very simple. All you have to do is go here and register. Once you open the registration page, you have to complete some fields in order to have a valid account in our database. If you've introduced incorrect data or the data you have introduced already exists in our database, a small error message will be displayed and what caused it. Now let's register our first NGO. Complete the first 2 fields with the name of your organization and username. Next, write down a password you wish to log in with. In the 4th field, select from a list of countries where your organization is from. In the 5th field, write down your email. Furthermore, write down the website of your organization if it has one. And finally, write a small description of your NGO. When you're done, click the register button to create a new account. Now that we have created our new account, let's check our database to see if it was stored successfully. If you pay attention to the table below, you'll see the new organization that we have just registered a few seconds ago. Now, let's register a new event. We start by logging in with an existing username and password. Just like before, we have to complete some fields in order to register a new event. First, write down the name of the event. In the next 2 fields, write down the starting and ending date of the event. Furthermore, write down a short description of the event. And finally, write the location where the event will take place. After completing the fields, click the Insert button to register a new event. After returning to the home screen, we're going to present the rest of the application. You can head to Contact if you have any inquiries from the administrator of the application. And finally, we are going to interact with the map. First, you must select a continent. Now we have the map of Europe. You can also view all the events that take place in the currently selected continent. Then, select a country. And finally, you can view all the events that take place in the currently selected country. And those are all the functions we have implemented in our project. Now, our application is not perfect and we never had the intention to be perfect because there is always room for improvements. This is Robert from Team Dexter signing off. I wish you all to have a nice day.